I tested 7 of the best AI website builders, and in this video I am going to show you how to save time and money on building your website and find the best one for your needs, from landing pages to personal portfolios and even e-commerce websites. The first one is a simple but very powerful tool I really like, and it is called Mixo AI. Mixo is the perfect tool for entrepreneurs, small business owners, or even creators. This tool allows you to create a website from a simple description of the business and what you tend to achieve with the website. With a simple text prompt, you get a fully functional landing page. It will apply images, text, colors, brand names, logos, and even email subscriptions. One thing that you may find really helpful is that it also offers websites in multiple languages. This is not common with most website builders, especially if you are working on it all by yourself. Another great feature of this website is that all of the features are fully customizable, and it requires zero knowledge of writing code. Most of the editing that you will be doing is with ready-made drag and drop templates. The real standout feature of Mixo, however, is that it makes gathering customer feedback a breeze with the subscriber management tools. So you could be trying to grow an audience for your business, or beta testing the reception of a new product before investing more time and money in it. Mixo would be the perfect website builder to easily get all of these complete with search engine optimization and Google Analytics. For as low as $9 a month, you can get a single-page website, a custom domain hosting for your website, SSL certification, and removal of all the Mixo branding. But if you want a builder that gives you even more freedom, then you should check out Hostinger number 6. Hostinger is already a pretty popular tool for people trying to build and host websites. However, the company has now supercharged its builder with AI, and the features are amazing. Now, unlike what Mixo and a few of the other builders on today's list offer, Hostinger does not let you go any further until you have paid for a subscription. Thankfully, though, it does not cost too much, and they seem to constantly have a lot of discounts and deals to get months of free usage. To get started with Hostinger, you can just head to the Websites tab and click on Create or Migrate a Website. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can choose to either create a new website or transfer an old website to Hostinger for hosting and management. When you choose to create a new website, you still have to decide if you want to use WordPress or Hostinger AI. Well, of course, we want to use the AI. Creating with AI requires you to fill out a form with the brand name, the kind of website you are trying to create, and a brand description. You get 700 words to describe your business, so you want to make sure that you are hitting the most important factors. Keep in mind that the best results will come from a very detailed description. With everything completed, the website creation itself only takes a couple of seconds. It takes you to Website Builder, where you can now customize all the pages, sections, and buttons to your taste. Hostinger also offers options for adding an online store to your website, a free domain name with your subscription, and an AI logo maker, writer, blog generator, and heat map. Number 5 may not be as popular as the other websites that we have mentioned so far, but you do not want to miss out. Code design. Building a website with code design is pretty straightforward. You must sign up with your full name, email address, and password to get started, or you can skip all of that and sign in with your Google account directly. Something I liked about using code design is that it does not require you to input any of your payment or card details at the initial registration, meaning that you do not have to feel like you are making a commitment before you check out the tool. As you would expect, this also works with text prompts to create the website. So once you have the perfect description of what you are trying to build, you can type it in. In a matter of seconds, code design will produce a stunning result based on your description. It also offers you all the editing features that you need to make the website feel more personal to you. There are 2 features that really allow code design to stand out compared to the others we have listed so far. The first is that just in case you have some knowledge of coding or you are learning, you can export the code behind the website build. This can be very useful for several reasons, especially in terms of future-proofing your website. The other thing that stood out for me is that you get to pay a one-time fee to use it rather than the subscription system. And the other tools you can pay once and for all and enjoy all the benefits of code design. Up next at number 4 is 10Web. These guys originally started out as a traditional website builder. However, they have now integrated AI into their system. The websites that 10Web produces are very well crafted, and you will never be able to tell that not a single line of code was written in its creation. Apart from the fact that the websites created by 10web are specifically WordPress websites, it also requires you to go through a lot more steps than the other tools we have mentioned so far before you get the final result. It asks for business colors, description, preferred styling, preferred template, the business category, and of course the name. Thanks to all the details that it requests during the creation process, you are able to get something that is almost ready for instant publishing. And this is where they get you. You will definitely want and need to make some edits to the website that 10web has created. But to do so, you then need to become a paid member. However, they offer a 7-day free trial period that you can use to test and decide if you want to keep paying for it going forward. This next website makes a really bold claim that I was very eager to test out. Durable. The main selling point for Durable is in prioritizing the speed of the process. On getting to the landing page, you are greeted with the promise of creating a website in 30 seconds. As ambitious as this sounds, they do keep it on most occasions, or get close enough depending on different scenarios. There is nothing too complicated about using Durable. You get nothing more than 3 fields to fill in before the AI starts constructing the website, and you are not required to sign in or create an account before then. So if you like what you see at a base level, you can now commit to a monthly or yearly subscription and move things around as you wish. The caveat, though, is that there aren't that many editing features on Durable. Still, you can get the AI to regenerate the entire website if you don't like the result. If you like only some parts of the result, you can also ask the AI to regenerate specific sections of the page. One thing that really makes Durable fun to use is the AI assistant companion that is also present in the editor, in case of necessity. It is also worth noting that the copies that it creates for the website are not bad at all. Not the best in the world, but they could work. And this is the perfect time to talk about Doric. Doric is a pretty superpower website builder that not only helps you build your website, but also stands by you till you are done with the creation process. At the initial stage, Doric requires a business name and description. And with just these 2 pieces of information, you get your website in the twinkling of an eye. The feature that really got me interested in Doric, however, is AI Quick Style. This simply means that if you are trying to make a change, you do not have to stress your creative nerves. You can just click on AI Quick Style, and it will restyle the result till you are happy. You also get the option to regenerate the websites or even add a new prompt that may help the AI produce better results. Next up is Wix. Wix is undoubtedly one of the legendary tools for website building, mostly for how they have continued to innovate in their many years of existence. Interestingly, Wix ADI was actually part of the very first AI-powered website builders since its introduction sometime in 2016. Wix ADI makes it to the top of my list today for just how robust it is. You could need a website for anything at all, and Wix will most likely have an option that covers you. Blogging, business, restaurants, e-commerce, portfolio creation. All of these are but a few of the possible categories that you may find on Wix. It just requires the important details of your business, like the category and the purpose of the website. After that, the styling choices are made, and you can select a template that works best for you. Creating the full website will only take you a few minutes. If you already have logos and contact information on your Wix account, then it will take even less time. Wix also offers a lot of customization options for different sections and elements alongside tips that will help maintain sanity within the design. If you do not have any experience with web design, which tool will you try out? Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share the video.